Amid the intense backlash following his appearance on India's Got Talent, hosted by Samay Raina, controversial remarks made by Ranveer Alabadia have ignited a storm of reactions. The controversy has led to FIRs, widespread criticism both online and on television networks, and even sparked discussion in Parliament. The fallout has taken a toll on popular comedian Samay Raina, who recently confessed that it has been too much for him to handle. Samay Raina, the stand-up comedian and YouTuber with 7.4 million subscribers, recently made a significant move. He took down all episodes of his popular show India's Got Talent from his YouTube channel. Why? Well, Samay finally broke his silence, took to social media to explain the situation. He stated that the decision was made in light of the ongoing controversy and that he would fully cooperate with the investigating agencies to ensure a fair inquiry into the matter. Well, right now Samay is in USA on his comedy tour, but despite his efforts to perform, he's facing some serious blowback. Several of his stand-up shows in Ahmedabad and Surat have been cancelled due to the controversy surrounding the show. However, he is still set to perform in cities across the USA and Canada. So what triggered all this backlash? It all started with one particularly controversial episode of India's Got Talent, which featured Samay, Ranveer Alabadia, Apurva Mukhija, Ashish Chanchlani, and Jasprit Singh. The episode was initially available only to the platform's members, but has now been completely removed, especially in India, after the heated criticism. The backlash hasn't gone unnoticed by the entertainment industry. Actor Rajpal Yadav weighed in on the issue, as did BJP MP and actor Ravi Kishan, who made it very clear that things like this should not be promoted.
कंटेंट में क्लास हो और मास हो, क्योंकि हमारा देश जो है ना वो संस्कृति रिश्तों का मजाक उड़ा के और इतना घिनौना मजाक उड़ा के, और अगर हमें ये लगता है कि हम कोई मनोरंजन क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो प्रमोट नहीं कर सकते वल्गैरिटी को, क्योंकि हमारा देश दुनिया बहुत समझदार है।
देखिए, भारत है, इस यहाँ की संस्कृति अलग है। ये वेस्टर्न का एक शो का कॉपी करके इन लोगों ने अपने अंदर के उस प्राणी को दिखा दिया जो इन लोगों ने एक अलग नकाब पे। तो बहुत दुखद है इस तरह की भाषा का प्रयोग, जहां हमारी पत्नी, हमारे बच्चे, हमारी बेटी, हर घर की बेटी, हर घर की माताएं, बहनें सब देख रही हैं। इस तरह की बातों का, शब्दों का प्रयोग बहुत ही अपमानजनक है।
Meanwhile, filmmaker Bonnie Kapoor also shared his thoughts, emphasizing the importance of self-regulation in content creation.
Since he's been reprimanded by authorities, he's got an FIR, I'm sure, and I read his apology also. What he did is something which I don't endorse at all. There has got to be limitations. There's got to be self-censorship also. Even if you've got, you talk of freedom of speech. Freedom of speech doesn't mean that you can talk things which are not socially acceptable. Within your home, you talk whatever you want to talk. But on social platform, you need to be careful and you need to be disciplined.
As this controversy continues to unfold, Samay Raina's response and the industry's reactions highlight the need for responsible content creation and awareness of its impact.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.